Tired of your Nikon Z30 photos looking like they were taken in a cave? Today, we're ditching the darkness and diving into the world of high-exposure photography, turning dull shots into dazzling masterpieces in just a few easy steps. First, switch your Nikon Z30 to Aperture Priority Mode. Marked as a on the mode dial, this allows you to control the depth of field, while the camera adjusts the shutter speed for proper exposure. Now, set your aperture a lower number, like f/28 or f/4. Will let in more light, creating a shallower depth of field. Great for portraits. A higher number, like f/8 or f/11, is better for landscapes where you want everything in focus. Next, find the exposure compensation button. Usually marked with a plus/minus symbol, press this button and use the command dial to increase the exposure value. Start with 1 or 2 and take a test shot. Review the image on your LCD screen. Is it brighter? If it's still too dark, increase the exposure compensation further. If it's too bright, dial it back down. Don't be afraid to experiment. See how much brighter and more vibrant your photos are now. High exposure isn't just about brightness, it's about capturing details and creating a certain mood. Get out there, experiment with your Z30, and start creating stunning high exposure images.